Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Today, we are unlocking the magic of Gemini, Google's powerful new AI assistant, right from your Samsung phone. No rocket science here, just a few taps and your phone's suddenly smarter. Before we jump in, here's what we will cover. Step 1. What is Gemini? Step 2. Downloading Gemini, aka your new ABFF. Step 3. Make Gemini your default assistant. Step 4. What can you actually ask Gemini? Step 5. Add Gemini to your home screen. Without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. So what is Gemini? Think of Gemini like the glow-up version of Google Assistant. Smarter, sassier, and way more helpful. It can answer questions, help with your to-do list, summarize articles, write text, even brainstorm dinner ideas. And yes, it works great on Samsung phones like the Galaxy A06. Even if it is not pre-installed, let's grab it. Step 2. Downloading Gemini, aka your new AI BFF. Here's how to invite Gemini into your phone live. Open the Google Play Store. Search Gemini. Don't worry, not the horoscope. Tap Install. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. That's it. Welcome to the AI Cloud. Step 3. Make Gemini your default assistant. Want Gemini to answer every time you say, "Hey Google"? Here's the secret to switch off. Go to Settings, tap Apps, Default Apps, tap Digital Assistant app. Choose Google. Yeah, that's Gemini now. Now when you long press the home button or say the magic words, Gemini answers like your personal genius genie. Step 4. What can you actually ask Gemini? This is where Gemini shines. Try asking it. Plan a weekend trip to Tagaytay. Write a birthday greeting for my mom. Summarize this article. I'm too lazy to read. Give me dinner ideas with chicken and rice. It can also handle reminders, emails, translations, or even that essay you forgot was due tomorrow. Step 5. Add Gemini to your home screen. Want Gemini just one tap away? Easy. Long press on your home screen. Tap Widgets, find Gemini, and drag it right onto your home. There you go, your AI assistant, front and center. And that's a wrap. You just made your Samsung phone way smarter with Gemini. From helping you plan your week to saving you from awkward texts, Gemini's got your back. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more tips. Tap the bell so you don't miss a thing. And tell us in the comments, what is the coolest thing Gemini's done for you? Thank you so much for hanging out with Wireless Solutions, where we make tech easy and fun. That's it. Bye for now.